Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Samsung has started rolling out the June 2026 security patch update for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra. The update is currently available in South Korea and should expand to more regions in the coming days. According to the update information, the Galaxy S25 series is receiving One UI 8.5 based on Android 16. The firmware version shown in the update is CZF1 and the package size is around 898 MB. The security patch level is June 5, 2026. Apart from the security patch, Samsung has added one new Galaxy S26 feature to the Galaxy S25 series. The biggest visible change is a new notification highlighting feature. This feature helps important notifications stand out more clearly, making them easier to notice. It is a small addition, but some users may find it useful for keeping track of important alerts and messages. Sadly, it doesn't bring any other new features that were rumored by many sources. Samsung mentions two main improvements in the changelog. It is a security patch, so users can expect better performance and optimization in the new version. However, there is one important thing Galaxy S25 Ultra users should know. Many users were expecting Samsung to include several new camera and AI features with the June update. Based on previous reports and expectations, features such as Creative Studio, Photo Assist improvements, horizontal lock, and the new 24 megapixel camera mode were expected to arrive with this month's update. Unfortunately, those features are missing from the current release. At least for now, Samsung has only delivered the June security patch, stability improvements, security enhancements, and the notification highlighting feature. The bigger feature additions that many users were waiting for have not been included. This has left some Galaxy S25 users disappointed because they were expecting a more feature packed update. Since the device is Samsung's latest flagship, many hope these new capabilities would arrive sooner rather than later. The good news is that Samsung may still release these features in a future software update or in the One UI 9 version. It is possible that the company needs more time for testing before making them available to all users. As of now, there is no official explanation regarding their absence. The users of Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can check for the update manually by going to Settings, then Software Update, and tapping Download and Install. That's everything we know so far about the latest June update for the Galaxy S25 series. Are you disappointed that Creative Studio, Photo Assist upgrades, horizontal lock, and the 24 megapixel camera mode are still missing? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Samsung and One UI update new.